let's do a quick recap here. And let's recap the things that we've covered in this particular webinar. Number one is capacitors are energy storage passive components. And it depends on the relative permittivity of your dielectric material, the surface area of your electrode plates, and the separation between those electrodes. Then dielectrics are materials that become polarized in the presence of an external electric field. So not like your usual true insulators, these dielectrics have the ability to polarize in the presence of an external electric field. And finally, real capacitors are not ideal. They have several parasitic effects that affect the operation of your circuit. They have an equivalent series resistance that comes from dielectric losses and metal losses. They have their main capacitive element, of course, and then they have what's known as the equivalent series inductance, or ESL, which comes from the self-inductance of the metal components made to build the capacitor. So the electrode plates and a large portion of it comes from the termination materials, the leads, the things that you use to connect the capacitor to the outside world.